How to create an AI personal assistant inside ChatGPT or any other chat AI tool. So what you will do, you click on these three lines here. These three lines, click on it. Click on project. Look at it here. Project. Click on project. Name the AI. Let me just give it my personal, or let me just give it PA or my PA. After you name it my PA, you create here, create project. We have created a project. Now what to do next? Click on these three dots here where you have this share icon. Just click here, click the three dots, click on edit instruction. This page will open. What you will do here, do you see where this place is? EE reference and the latest Java documentation and all that. This is where you will now instruct, give a prompt to instruct the AI to give you a high performance, speed and accurate answers, and give you advice and whatever tasks you give the PA to do for you or the assistant to do for you. Anything you want the AI to do for you to perform very well, this is where you put the instruction. After you have done that, just click this dot. Your personal AI is ready. Very simple and easy. So you can start chatting with the AI, ask this question, interact, even do voice note. Click on the voice note and use voice note to chat and all that. It's very easy to create a personal AI using ChatGPT or any chat AI tool. So if you want me to teach you how to use AI, some AI tools for most of the free AI tools, if you want to learn how to use them, send me a DM, follow me for no reason, click the link in my bio and get started.